They say, "Lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the breeze. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying."
So we had to tighten this bolt because, like, oh yeah. That's not the right way. Let's just freaking flip that around. Alright. Now we're gonna be tight. Which freaking way is tight? Hang on it. Oh yeah. No. Hold. Holy cow. Now that's not pretty straight. Let me just I should have been paying attention. No. I'm gonna loosen that up. Alright, get it straight. That's straight. That's pretty straight to me, I think. I don't know if it would stay. Bro, what the heck is straight? You know what? That's pretty dang straight. Alright, time for the other side. Alright guys, don't mind my hair, but I'm gonna be putting the front fender on. After uninstalling it, because I had to uninstall it to get the light off, because the light didn't connect to the Predator 12 that just installed. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. This, guys, I got all 4 bolts tightened down, as you can see. Tell me what y'all think, if it looks good or if I should take it off. I'm about to pull the mini bike out of the garage and do a little film, and I'm gonna show you it. Oh my gosh, is that my mini bike?
Maybach music.